Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to recover a deleted files or deleted project on a Canva by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Canva application, and this is the look. Whenever you open the Canva, we will be generated into the home section. And now let's try to delete this specific project. So I already have this project here, or if you want to delete another project, you just need to go into the project parts and find out which project that you want to delete. For example, this one, you just need to go click these three small dots and go click move to the rush. Okay, so to recover those files, you just need to go click in the home section, and in this home section you just need to go click these three straight lines, and after that you just need to go into the trash. And now you just need to find out which project that you want to recover. So this all of project here is the project that you delete less than 30 days. If this project is more than 30 days, they will be like permanently delete from this trash. It's that you cannot bring or you cannot recover those projects. So make sure that you cross-check with the files periodically. So here, let's recover these files. You need to click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click restore. And now let's check either this file is back on our project or not by go click in the project. There you go. And you can see the project is already back into our folder. So that's the way how to recover files on a Canva application. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.